Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are asked to find the perimeter of this particular triangle. This is not as easy as it looks. Okay, now, first of all, thank God they gave us a special type of triangle. So this is a special type of triangle 30, 60, 90 degrees is a special type of triangle. Now, why is it special? Research shows that since this is 30 degrees, the smallest angle, the other side, this side that faces it, is the smallest leg. Okay, so this is the smallest leg. This side AB, is the smallest leg. And since this is 90 degrees, the biggest angle, the side that faces it is the longest side. Okay, so this is the longest leg, Now, how does that concern us? Research shows that the longest leg is 2 times the smallest leg. So let's take for instance, if AB is equal to 1, the smallest leg, it means that AC will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. Alright? And the other leg, which is BC, will be equal to x root 3. So in this case, our answer is 1 times root 3, which is root 3. But we're not going to make use of this. We are going to make use of another way to solve this. Now, how are we going to go about it? We are going to name our AB x. So let AB be equal to x. So it means that AC will be 2 times x, which is 2x. So I think I need to print this. 2 times x, which is 2x. And then the other side will be, so this will be 2 times x, 2x, and then the other side will be x root 3. Perfect. All right. Now, why did they give us the perimeter? For them to give us the perimeter means that there is more to this perimeter. They're just giving us the direction on how to find the area. Sorry, I forgot to say that we are asked to find the area of this triangle. All right. So remember that perimeter is distance around an object. So if the perimeter of this triangle is 48, it means that if we add x to 2x to x root 3, our answer becomes 48. Okay, so if we group like terms, we have x plus 2x, which is 3x. So we have 3x plus x root 3 is equal to 48. Now we can factorize x, right? So bring out x. 3x divided by x is 3. And x root 3 divided by x is root 3 is equal to 48. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. If this is the first time you are seeing this lovely channel, give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Okay, and tune in at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch by God's grace. All right, okay, so let's divide both sides by x. Dividing both sides by x, we are going to have, sorry, by, since we are looking for x, by 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3. So we are going to have x bracket 3 plus root 3 divided by 3 plus root 3. Okay, is equal to 48 divided by 3 plus root 3. Now this will remove this, we have x is equal to 48 divided by 3 plus root 3. Now let us rationalize. To rationalize the denominator, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate. Now the conjugate of 3 plus root 3 is 3 minus root 3. So rationalize If you rationalize, we have x is equal to 48 divided by 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 3 take away root 3 over 3 take away root 3 as well. So we have x is equal to 48 brackets 3 take away root 3 over, now here we have 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 3 take away root 3. Okay, I just hope you can still see that clearly. Now, this is becoming more interesting. Yeah, it is. So at this point, what we are going to do, normally this is, you can see, this is a bit wet so that I can clean this very well. So that's why I had to dry again with this second one. Now, when you look at this, you can see difference of two squares from your denominator. Okay, so we have x is equal to 48 bracket 3 take away root 3 divided by, now remember that difference of two squares is this, it says that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So in this case, our a is 3 and our b is root 3. So we are going to have 3 squared minus root 3 squared. So if we solve this further, we have 48 bracket 3 take away root 3 divided by 3 squared is 9 minus root 3 squared is 3. Okay, so in all, in total, we are going to have x to be equal to 48 bracket 3 take away root 3 divided by 6. And 6 can go into 48 8 times. So that simply means that, yeah, hope you have subscribed to the channel. Hope you have subscribed to the channel. Please like, comment, and share as well to your friends, especially to those that need it for their exams. There are some people that need this for their exam. Okay, so kindly share so that you can get to them. All right, so that means our x is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 minus root 3. Okay, so back to our diagram, our x is AB. So it means AB is 8 bracket 3 minus root 3. Then our AC is 2x. AC is 2 multiplied by 8 bracket 3 minus root 3, which is equal to 16 bracket 3 minus root 3. And the other side, BC, is equal to x root 3, that is 8 bracket 3 minus root 3 multiplied by root 3. So 8 times root 3 will give us 8 root 3 bracket 3 minus root 3. All right, now this is what we have as our sides, the sides of the triangle. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are asked to find the area. Now area of a triangle is half base times height. So that will give us half. The base, which is BC, is this 8 root 3 bracket 3 minus root 3. Okay, let's say it's over 1 multiplied by our height. Our height is AB, which is x. So it's going to be 8 bracket 3 minus root 3. Let's say over 1 to balance it up. Okay, so solving for that, 8 root 3 times 8 is 64 root 3. And we have 3 minus root 3 times 3 minus root 3. 3 minus root 3 squared divided by 2. Okay, so this we divide this and we have 32 root 3 bracket 3 minus root 3 squared. Are you still there? If you are, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for staying around. And please try to uh, forward this to people that truly need it. Okay? All right. Now, at this point, remember that a minus b squared is an identity. A minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus b squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So it means that we can rewrite this as the area to be 32 root 3 into, so this will be 3 squared plus root 3 squared minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by root 3. Okay, this is what we are going to have. And we are almost there. We are almost there. All right. So moving forward now, we are going to simplify this further. And when we do that, this is what we will have. So looking at this now, we have A, which is the area, to be equal to 32 root 3 bracket 3 squared is 9 plus root 3 squared is 3 minus 2 times 3 is 6 root 3. So A is equal to 32 root 3 bracket 9 plus 2 is 12 minus 6 root 3. Now I can see that we can factorize 6 from the bracket. So we have A equals 6 multiplied by 32 root 3 bracket. When this is divided by 6, we have 2. When this is divided by 6, we have root 3. Okay, now 6 times 32. 6 times 2 is 12, carry 1. 6 times 3, 18 plus 1, 19. So we have 192 root 3 bracket 2 minus root 3. Now, is there anything we can do? Since I'm saying root 3, we can cancel that out if we can expand the bracket, right? So let's go ahead and expand. So area will be 192. Root 3 times this is 2 root 3. 2 root 3. And root 3 times this will be 3 minus 3. Okay? Yeah. So I think this is all we can do for now. And our answer is in square units. Our answer is in square units. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.